Hey there, Office Insight fam. Today we will discuss a few tips and tricks from the world of Microsoft. Get ready as we explore the art of inserting and editing text in your files. For this tutorial, I'm using this document. It's called Find Joy Online Shopping, but don't worry about this content because this is all made up. I beefed up this document for 2 pages so you can see it goes on to the next page. First thing first, let's say we want to add some text in between the lines of the document. So the best way doing that is just click right wherever you want to enter that word. So let's say I want to, if online wasn't there, so right, I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna say online and space. So that creates that word inside there without deleting the whole line. Some people don't know and they start clicking the backspace until they reach there. So instead of doing that, I would actually just click wherever you want to enter a word and enter the word. Secondly, what if you want to replace a word? So for example, in this instance, there is 750 and we want to change it to 690,000 in 2023. So instead of deleting the letters or numbers, I will double click this and it highlights that figure. So I'm gonna just type 690 and it should replace the number. Another tip I would like to give you is that sometimes we are trying to select a paragraph. If we want to relocate it or if we want to move its location, we have to select a line or a paragraph. In that case, there is a way. If you bring your cursor onto the left margin, it should become a pointer. And once I click once, it should select the entire line. By clicking twice, it should select the whole paragraph. And by clicking 3 times, it should select the whole document. There's another way of doing selection is just by bringing your cursor in a paragraph and click 3 times. Once you click 3 times, it should select the whole paragraph. So it's one click more than on a trick we just did by bringing the mouse to the left margin. Here, if you bring the mouse to the left margin, it definitely saves you a few clicks. So that's a wrap up for today, team. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Microsoft mastery. Until next time, happy typing.